welcome to our channel, JAZOMY Home. Okay guys, so for today's video we're going to doing something that we really want to do for a very long time, and it's going to make a huge change on this area. I'm going to show you really quick what we're going to do, so you can come along with us, have a fun time. I'm sweating already. It is like 100 degrees here in Puerto Rico, so hot. But yeah, let's start working. Okay guys, let me show you what we're going to do. Okay, as you can see, this is our like entrance for our house. We put all of this wood in a very recent video, and we show you like all of the steps and how we did it. But as you can see, we have this wall right here that I really want to change. We are looking to make this house look very bright. So for that we're going to change all of the paint color. This is like a very light gray color, and this color is a little bit darker. It's still gray, but it's darker, and as you can see, all of the doors are brown, like reddish brown, and we don't like that color at all. As you can see, it doesn't match with the wood that we stain here. So our plan is to basically paint all of this hallway, the trim, the doors, everything in white color, the same one that we use in our daughter's bedroom. And just like that, we are painting. Whoa.
Like it?
Monty parece que...
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh wow. Well, I don't think I did like a before and after, but this is it. We're going to start with the paint. Whoa. From bathroom. Okay guys, so it's a new day and we finally have all of the painting done. Basically, we paint all of the doors white and all of the walls in white color, the same color that we use in our daughter's bedroom. And it was kind of hard because I don't know how many coats of paint it took. Like four coats. 4 coats of paint, and it was crazy because I mean, like, let me see here in camera, you can see it's not a big difference. This is the white color that we paint the house, and this is the color that used to be. It's not a big difference, and it took 4 coats.
It is ridiculous.
That's crazy.
The other thing, I mean, the doors were pretty dark.
Yeah.
But we expected in the doors at least a little bit more, but even though.
So this project is taking a little bit longer than what we expect, but anyways, let's keep rolling with the projects and everything. We went to Home Depot today to get some more paint. another brand, another color, because we are going to be painting this wall. I know we painted white, but we're going to do something really cool.
We also bought some wood, and we're gonna make basically something similar to what we did in our apartment's bathroom. That was about 2 or 3 years ago. So if you haven't watched that video, go ahead, take a look at it. It is a small bathroom makeover that we did.
And I think it's also one of the most popular videos that we have in this channel. So you can go, if you haven't watched it, you can go ahead.
You can go ahead and watch.
We're gonna leave the link in the description box just in case. So basically, guys, what we want to do is like add an accent wall on this wall. We're going to add some wooden pieces on like the half of the wall to make a board and pattern wall. And we're going to paint that half of the wall in another color. We just pick the color. Let us know in the comments what color do you think we choose. This girl is sanding all of the wood, right? And this other dude is playing with Monty like a crazy. Get it, Monty, get it! Get it, get it, get it! Oh my god. Get it, Monty! Good job. Chocolate. She just played, but it's okay. So we have one more wooden board that we need to add here, and we actually have it, but
it's under the house and it's raining.
Yes.
Like a storm.
Like it's so bad.
There's thunders and everything.
Let me see if you can at least hear, because it's so crazy. Can you see that? Yeah, we have many bugs there, but oh, you see that?
Yeah, that was
wow. It's raining really bad. So
until tomorrow.
Okay, a small change of plans. I think I'm going to start adding a little bit of sparkling. I have this really big container. I'm going to start adding a little bit on the gaps that they would have, or where we put all of the nails. So I think tomorrow is gonna be easier to just sand everything in the morning and start painting. So I'm going to be doing that. Hello there, it's a new day. Oh my god, I feel like I have been working in this project for so long. Today I finished like sanding all of the parts that need more sand, and now I'm adding caulk. I got this from Home Depot, and I'm adding these like in between the wall and the wooden pieces to make it just look like one piece. So yeah, I'm doing that. I'm sweating, it's hot like always, and Omi is actually working on the land. Hi. Show them how you work. Go ahead. He's trying to remove all of like dead pieces from the palm, but it's really hard.
Wait for me.
Are you okay? I think I'm done with this accent wall. Now let's paint! Woo! Really excited. I think it's gonna look good. This is the color. I think in camera it's white. But it's like a very, very light pink. Cream. And it's called Cool Concrete. Okay, so this is the wall that we are doing like the makeover, the accent wall. And I have these two other walls here, well, there are three, that you can see right when you enter the house. You can see this wall, which is close to the bathroom, and this door is my daughter's bedroom. So if you stand up right where the camera is, the entrance, you're gonna be able to see these two walls. So I really want to add something to make them look better. So I'm thinking for this wall, I can put for now. I don't have like anything else, and I have no time to DIY anything right now. So I want to add this other piece of art that you maybe recognize this one because it's the one that used to be in this wall. So I think it's perfect for this wall here. Let me try that to see how it looks. I don't know, maybe? Okay, for this wall, I got these photo frames from Walmart. They are 8 by 10, and I got 4 of them. They are very simple. They have just like a very small black detail, like the frame is black. My plan is to print some photos like in black and white and add them here, but I want to print the photos in like a 5 by 7, but you're going to see like a small edge in white color. And my plan is to put 4 photo frames in this wall with photos, because in my entire house I don't have like any family photos or nothing like that. So I think that's gonna be really cool and cozy, and it's gonna feel like home. So yeah, I want to add that, but I need to print the photos first. I have these hanging flower vases that I DIY. It was one pot and I just cut it in half, but I don't think the color is going to match really well. So I was thinking maybe I can take those out and add these on this wall, but maybe like with some greenery hanging from this. Let me see, one moment. Okay, maybe this. Let's see, now I paint this wall already. Ta-da! I came across with the most beautiful mirror, like my dream mirror. It's going to be so beautiful, let me tell you. And I got it on clearance, which is the best part. It's so big, it's so heavy, but it's so beautiful. Okay, wait a second. Okay. Oh my god, it's so heavy. Ah! Can you see it? It's beautiful. That's gonna be my masterpiece. It's gonna be there. I'm so excited. Now I need Omi to hang this. for me.
And it's done. I think it looks awesome.
Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it.
Super, super.
Ay.
Oh my god.
Okay, I was thinking maybe add a planter with a plant for now, since I don't have like the entry table. So I have this one. I have a set of two. This is the smaller one, and I have this plant. Here. It's full, of course. So I added that in a piece of foam. Let me see if I can put it here. And then I'm going to add this moss to cover the top. Out. This is how our hallway looks now, and I think it looks pretty nice. Love the white color, love the accent wall, and this mirror. I'm really excited. So hopefully soon I'm gonna get an entry table soon.
Right.
So guys, we really hope that you like and enjoy this video, that you can get some ideas and inspiration on how you can update your hallway and make it look a lot better, but on a budget, of course.
Remember to follow us on our social media pages, also our webpage JAZOMY.com. All the links are going to be in the description box of this video and every single video. Let us know in the comments what color you think we should buy or create the new
entry table.
Yeah.
Let us know that in the comments. Yeah, we hope that you like this video. See you in the next one.
See you in the next one.
Bye.